weather message. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Belmont County in east central Ohio, Carroll County in east central Ohio, southeastern Columbiana County in east central Ohio, extreme southeastern Coshocton County in east central Ohio, Quincy County in east central Ohio, Harrison County in east central Ohio, Jefferson County in east central Ohio, Monroe County in east central Ohio, southeastern Muskingum County in east central Ohio, Noble County in east central Ohio, eastern Tuscarawas County in east central Ohio, Hancock County in northern West Virginia, until 6:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:14 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a line of severe thunderstorms capable of producing quarter-size hail and destructive winds in excess of 70 miles per hour. These storms were located along a line extending from 6 miles west of Charlottesville to 6 miles southwest of PLO, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Other locations in the warning include but are not limited to Bowdoin, Duncan Falls, PLO, Norwich, Mountain Hutton, Chandlersville, New Concord, Bloomingdale, Rock State Park, Ulrichsville, Campbellton, Gilmore. This will impact the following highways: Interstate 470 in Ohio between mile marker 0 and 6. Interstate 70 in West Virginia near mile marker 0. Interstate 70 in Ohio between mile markers 165 and 225. Interstate 77 in Ohio between mile markers 18 and 66. In addition to large hail and damaging wind, continuous cloud to ground lightning is occurring with the storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is a killer. If you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. This storm has produced widespread wind damage in Coshocton County. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time Thursday evening for western Maryland and east central Ohio and western Pennsylvania and northern West Virginia. Please report hail, strong winds or wind damage to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-877-633-6772. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio, Carroll, Columbiana, and Tuscarawas.
Center by 5:42 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Jeffersonville and Bethel by 5:44 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Roscoe by 5:46 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. When you can do so safely, please report hail or damaging winds to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free at 1-877-633-6772 or by email at bgmstormreport@noaa.gov. If you are in the path of this storm, seek shelter indoors and stay away from windows. This is a dangerous storm. If you are in its path, prepare immediately for damaging winds, destructive hail, and deadly cloud-to-ground lightning. People outside should move to a shelter, preferably inside a strong building, but away from windows. A tornado watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time Thursday evening for central New York and northeast Pennsylvania. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Sullivan County, New York. The National Weather Service